Hello guys, good morning. Good morning. It's Megan Ryan and I'm back. Yes, with a pretty good day trading recap. So today I traded RIVN. It's a really good stock, really good trade. I woke up late like yesterday. I didn't get to trade because I've been doing lots of things in my personal life and been really busy. So I didn't get the chance to trade today. I only had literally 10 minutes before the open. I pulled up the scanner. I have RIVN and GME. But I only traded GME because that's the only one I like because of this crazy move. So I traded the way since I didn't have any levels. I was eyeing for this 35 level here on RIVN. That was 2 days ago high. So 2 days ago high. So that's where I took it long there. And I have this 36.25 where I like in the pre-market. Let's look at 1 minute. Kind of like this area here that, since like where the VWAP actually opened. So kind of like my level, but I didn't get in my first trade. I didn't get it, but my second trade I did. So I was just playing around with those level 35, and then I even re-entered here for another long. So like nothing much. I only have probably 7 minutes to make this recap, so I have about 5 minutes now. So let's make this quick. I also have GME in my list, but it was choppy. I didn't even trade. So let's look and watch. We can look at my scanner to see. We didn't even. Basically, I was just trading price action on this one. We didn't even made levels. So let's look at the scanner. So as you can see here, let's zoom in a little bit. So the only one I have with really good volume and RVOL was RIVN, actually 1.6 million pre-market, and GME. Nothing else I want to trade. So looking at that right at the bat, it will give you which ones to trade. Very, very easy. So let's watch. But before everything else, you know what to do. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and follow me in my social media accounts. I'm sorry I did not trade this day. Just couldn't get up from bed. Happens on some days. And tomorrow I'll probably trade another like 20 minutes maybe. But next week I will be trading more than more than 30 minutes, so probably an hour. So let's see if I have more time. But that's the thing with day trading. I'm not trading full time, so I'm sorry about that. I can only trade one stock. Let's watch. So as you can see here, fast forward this a bit. Okay. I'm gonna make this quick. So I have what's this, GME and RIVN. The RIVN pre-market moved crazy, $5.35. So ATR of that is about $2, $1.93. So that's the only one I need. So market open. Really, really closely watching the first minute. See what happens. So it's actually resisting, as you can see here. It's actually resisting this 35 level here, and the volume is about almost 1 million now. Okay, it's really resisting this area here. So when I saw that it bounced there, you see that bounce, and the volume is really holding it. I was actually really considering it for a long if it touches 35.25. So that's actually I was thinking. So that's about a 25-cent range, but it's actually a 45-cent range on this one. But 35 and 25, so that's about 25 cents. You can trade 25 cents, 30 cents. I think I was going to trade 50 cents on this one. I really can't remember. Let me see. So for GME, no volume, only 150,000 in the first minute. Let's look. Let's fast forward this a bit. So really no volume in the first minute, so you want to ignore that. I haven't entered on RIVN. Just looking at this now. So I have 25 in my mind, and I have 35 and 25. So those two things. That was quick. Let's watch this properly. I rewinded it so you can see it properly. As you can see, it rejected 35. Let's see. There you go. When I saw that it's really touching that and resisting that area and it's making higher bids. So we're at 15 now, right? I was gonna enter at 25, which I did. So I get filled at 20. Really good entry. Really good entry. So even though I wanted to actually enter at 25 because that was like a kind of like my sign for a bounce on the opening. So it rejected 35 and then I'm just gonna trade the opening price, which is 35.25 or 24.80. So but I get filled at 35.20. So there you go. So how much was my risk? My risk. So actually my risk here was actually 40 cents and not even 50 cents because the range of that. So how did I let's rewind this a bit. So the range of this candle, the first candle is 45 cents. So you can probably risk 40 to 50 cents. And I know it's if it opens again at 25, like let's look at this one. Let's rewind a bit. Super fast. Super fast. I'm trying to make a more detailed recap here. I'm sorry about that. As you can see, I know that I'm looking at level 2 when I know where I'm gonna enter, right? So the 35, so it printed 35 there. I know the opening price is at 25. So right there, 90, 95, 30. Okay. So the bid is going up. So as you can see, my mouse cursor is actually here. So I'm ready to enter, right? So when it printed 25, actually, yeah, I entered. I got filled at 20, 35, 20 actually. So that was a really good one. Yeah, so 40-cent risk. Really good trade. One sec. Okay, so I have to move. Yeah. It's really happening here. So I caught the move that I want. So that's 50 cents and 60 cents. So I haven't taken good enough profit here. Actually, fast forward this now a bit. 80. So I'm looking for levels. So actually, I just want this 36.25 actually. There you go. So that was the break. See? Yeah, so I still have a bit of a share. So I actually took more than half here. So my average is 35.20. I didn't get filled. So I decided to just keep it. It didn't stop me out. Weird. Okay, so it bounced again. I'm gonna add another full size because I've got a good amount here. I was actually watching this area here 35 when it bounced and when it rejected, I just immediately got in again full size. Yeah, and the rest is history. Slowly taking profit because I have enough shares, actually more than the full size because you know what I have left. I think I have probably 25 cents left here. So I took more than 25 because I took 10% here, 225s here. Yeah. Mm. But I was gonna stop out in case if it goes below this area here. Just weird I didn't get filled there. I think I'm getting kind of like a market data, wrong market data. Like even when I first trade this, I was gonna enter at 25. It filled me at 20, which is weird. Yeah, so actually it really. So here, almost done with my trade. Actually, No more shares, just really small shares left. I need to fast forward this because I have to leave. Okay. Yeah, so this was my last good partial, and after this was just a trailing stop, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so this was my trailing stop. The average is 35.18. Yeah, this I left my desk at this point. Let's see what happens. Wow, that was weak. If I'm still in my desk, I'll probably exit at this 36 level here. That's really obvious. That was an obvious short there. This was actually a good short. Yeah. But it's resisting. Let's see if it touches 90 area. See how it reacts at 90. Okay, so it's resisting 90 area, which is VWAP. VWAP is about 93. So it looks like if it breaks 36, then it's going to continue. If not, then it's going to stop me out. Basically, it's just two sides. So there's a seller here. Yeah, see the volume there? Another volume here. So there's actually a seller at VWAP. You can see from the volume. Because if there's a seller there, if there's a buyer who wants to take that seller, then it's just going to shoot up to 36, right? So that was actually, so it stopped me out. Yeah. So, and wow, it's almost back to opening price. Wow. It's insane. Yeah, so that's about it. Let's see what happened to the stock after this. So about a few minutes here in this recording. Wow, literally it broke the low of day. Now it's really strong. I'm pretty sure looking at this now, this looks like it's going to bounce. The low of the day is 34.61. So you can actually play around with 60 and 50 if you want to trade this double bottom. The risk reward will be really good if you want to do a tight risk in case. But I'm not going to trade that because it's a bit dangerous. That was a good sell off. Let's see in the stock if it really bounced in this one. I really forgot how it moved. So there's a 60 area here. You can play around with this 60 and 50. 50 is a round number. There's a sell. There's a buyer at 60 as well. So that's kind of like a sign, but you don't trust that. You don't want to trust that unless it's really strong. So let's look where the stock is now. Yeah, let's zoom out. Boom. So I was talking about 3060, right? Yep, 3060. So that was a really good one. Really good one to bounce. So that was actually more than the risk reward there. So if you want to risk maybe 10-20 cents, actually that was a good trade. Yeah. Double bottom trades. Probably gonna go back to VWAP. Yep, it's in VWAP now. So yeah, I mean, I'm not saying I can predict the whole move, but I'm saying I've seen enough of this. Wherein, I've seen too much price action in my mind now. But trading is not easy. I'm just saying that's a possibility. It just gives you an edge that you will win if you've seen those things. Like what I did here, double bottom, right? It's a bit too far from VWAP, so double bottom will be good. There's a 35 level here. So very easy style. So I'm not saying this is a strategy. Strategy is well, but it can be a strategy because it's double bottom, right? But it's a gap up below VWAP, so kind of like in a gray area. But you have a level at 35. It's also a round number. It's too far from VWAP. It's a gap up, so probably will not sell off. So that's the one. That's my play there. So just price action trading. Yeah, so that's about it. Thank you for watching, and follow me on my social media accounts if you haven't. And if you have any questions, just comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe. Sorry, it's a really quick recap. Bye.